Against Kish, Eric Stefan Kish. Eric Stefan Kish, 25F244490.
Good morning, David Bajork, here on behalf of Mr. Fish, who's approaching to your sentencing.
Good morning. Your name, sir? I need to check on. Just give me 1 second, if you would, please, Mr. Bajork. All right. Is there a Darren Heimberger here, either on Zoom or in person? Darren Heimberger.
No, not on Zoom.
Okay. So, all right. So your client pled to OWI first offense. He referred for a screening and assessment. I'll note that he did not own the motor vehicle, so I did not immobilize it. His license was revoked. We put him through bond conditions. Have you had a chance to review the report with him, and are there any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
No additions or corrections requested. I can just quickly.
Sure.
I've had a pleasure of knowing Mr. Kish for a number of years, Your Honor. And since this charge has been pending before the court, as in order to really contact me right away, we want to address it in a responsible way. At the time we offered the plea, the court indicated it would entertain the prospect of Mr. Kish obtaining formal entry into the sobriety court program. All substantive terms and conditions of bond while this matter has been pending, relative to his maintenance of sobriety, testing, certification of his sobriety, attendance at AA meetings, all attendance at classes here and meetings at the court have been in absolute strict compliance. He's doing everything that he could possibly do, Your Honor, to address this issue. I certainly believe he's a suitable candidate for the sobriety court program, and I hope the court agrees. I think he'll benefit tremendously from it, because I know this court has a very successful program in that regard. He's off to a good running start, Judge.
I think so. I think so. Anything you'd like to say?
There you are.
This has been an easy one. I need an easy one. 2 years probation. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court. You cannot violate a law or ordinance. If you change your address, place of employment, or home telephone number, you have to notify probation. You do have to comply with all agreements, guidelines, and requirements as indicated in the sobriety court participation handbook. You have to report to probation as directed. No alcohol, no illegal drugs, no marijuana either. Okay, you're not to purchase, possess, or consume any one of those. You're to submit to chemical testing, PBTs, and ETG tests on demand of the probation department. They're going to have you test like 3 times a week. It's now on our dime, not through our grant, so we'll get that switched over today. You're to complete 60 days on the SoberLink device from today's date. You're to attend 12-step meetings at least 3 times a week and provide proof. You're to obtain an AA-NA sponsor. You're to attend all substance abuse treatment in an approved facility, attend the Victims Impact Panel, attend and complete the Armed Specialty Court Weekend Program. You have to report to sobriety court status review hearings with me every 2 weeks. You do have to obtain and maintain employment with proof provided. So far, do you understand everything?
Yeah.
All right. Now, I'm going to enunciate the, just give me 1 second here. I'm going to enunciate the fines and costs. I'm going to go light on the fines as much as I can. 200, cost 200. $75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment. So fines and costs are $5.25. Screening fee is $60 for $585. Probation fees are $480 for a total of $1,065. Plus, you have $360 in sobriety court fees for $425. Plus, you have cost of recovery of $150. I mean, I feel bad about these. I just can't do any better. So you got $1,575. I'm going to order that you complete, serve 10 days jail. Credit 1, serve 9. I'll let you serve those as follows. You know, this was a high breathalyzer. It really concerns me. I'm going to let you serve 3 of those days by way of community service and 6 days on the court work program. Court work program fees then are $35 a day for a total of $210, bringing your total here At least I think I'm right. I scribbled it down. Was it 1525 before that, making it 1735 now?
I have 1785 total.
1785, you're probably right. So 1785 total. I'm going to give you time to serve your community service. I'll give you all the way to January the 15th. If you violate, your probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated for 93 days. You have 21 days to appeal. You have 14 days to apply for a court-appointed lawyer. I'm glad you made this step. I think it's going to really help you. I really do. You've been easy to deal with. Does he have money he can pay today?
I didn't address it this morning, Your Honor. Are you prepared to make even today or do you like monthly installment payments?
Monthly installment.
Do you have anything today?
I'm not sure. I didn't know how much it would be.
I apologize, Your Honor. I didn't address the payment of financial cost for the.
Don't worry about it. Can you pay anything today? If not, to just tell me.
No.
You make $1,200 a week and you're single and live with your parents, right?
Yes.
Can you pay $100 per week?
Yeah.
Okay, $100 per week. And again, if you ever need more time, not a problem. Just, you can either honor before any due date. You can either go on Zoom with me at 8:30 in the morning or walk in here. I'll give you a little leeway time. You pay $100 per week, and I'm going to start that on November the 17th. I really look forward to working with you. It's going to be the best decision you made in your life. You'll meet with probation.
Thank you very
Mr.
much.
Majora, always a pleasure.
Your Honor, can I approach just for 1 minute on related matter?
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
Wait, record a second. Carter? Move against Omari Asante Carter, 25W840238. Come on up to the podium, sir. Good morning. Your name? I'm sorry, say that again, please. You're charged with driving on a suspended, and you have the right to a lawyer. If you want one, I'll give you one. Would you like a lawyer?
Nah, that's not necessary.
Okay, so I'll arraign you, and I'll let you go speak with the prosecutor then. Fair enough? Yes? Yes?
Yes, sir.
On October 2 of 25, the police think you were operating a motor vehicle on Western Ford Lane in Woodhaven at 11:53 p.m. They think you were driving with a suspended license. That is a misdemeanor. It is punishable, excuse me, by up to $500 in fines, 93 days jail, costs you all those 2 points. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you sign this advice of rights?
Yes.
Okay, you just have to keep your voice up for me, okay? Did you read it and understand it?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you will be giving up all those rights and we're not going to have a trial of any kind. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Do you still wish to waive your right to a lawyer?
Okay, so
I can't engage in the discussion.
yeah, I'm really confused.
What are you confused about?
Just because you've done some jail time, so
That's the possible. I have to tell everybody the maximums.
okay. Well,
I did not say you were going to jail.
yeah, look. Yes, that's fine. I can wait. Don't worry.
You waived the lawyer? Yes?
Yes, sir.
I'm going to enter a not guilty plea, $500 personal bond. You cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate a law. You must appear in court as directed. We're going to take this case to the prosecutor. You can go out in the hallway. He'll call you in. Does he have to sign in over there?
I'll just let him know if he's out there.
Yeah. So and then either way, you're coming back in front of me, okay? Any questions?
No, sir.
Good luck.